The spark plug gap specification is 52 to 56 thousandths with a target of 54. I bought some iridium spark plugs that were pre-gapped to 54 thousandths. I bought this wire spark plug gauge which has different diameter wires, this one being 54 thousandths. The wire gauge should be able to pass between the electrode and the ground. It's too small in this case. All of the spark plugs were reading too small, so I went to check the gauge itself and found that it's 56 thousandths instead of 54 thousandths. Gauge is not made right. I'm going to use feeler gauges to get a better measurement. 25 plus 24 plus 5 thousandths equals 54 thousandths. So when you stack these up, they should fit, and it fits. There's a slight drag on it, which tells you that it's a good fit. The 4 spark plugs on the right were 54 thousandths, while the 2 on the left were 53 thousandths. All of them are within our range of 52 to 56 thousandths. If you wanted to open up the gap a little bit, you can use this tool here to bend it so the gap becomes larger. If you want to make the gap smaller, just press it against some hard object. This type of spark plug gauge is not for iridium spark plugs, as they might get damaged by using it. It's got a small end at 20 thousandths that you would put the spark plug gap over, and then you would turn it until it bottoms out. But that rubbing motion could damage the electrode. This spark plug gauge is not only made wrong, but it only measures if it's an exact fit. So I would just go with the feeler gauges